Alright, video time. I make a video about Santa, and this is the Santa Tracker Google Doodle, because I don't have anything better to be doing. Let's play Santa Selfie. Oh, look at Santa and Mrs. Claus. How friendly they are. Alright, so I think I'm going to give him a goatee. It's just to sculpt the facial features here. Oh no. My hand slipped and oh no, his beautiful hair. Gotta get all the excess hair away so he can be beautiful. No, he had some ear hair there. Now I believe, what does this perfume do? I think it... Oh no! The perfume makes it grow again, so I'm going to have to shave him again. Alright, I think he is done. Now it is time to color him. He shall have a green mohawk. It's nice. And a red beard to match his nice red suit. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful Santa. Look at that. Look at how happy he looks with his nice new haircut. So I think it's time to play another game because I don't have anything else to say about that. How about we play... Hey, what's this now? Elf Jetpack. I just... Oh, really? Ooh, I want that. I want that. Come back. So, I've played this game. The point is basically catch present in time to time. Just catch things quickly. And the clocks are good because they give you extra time. Ooh, double. So I'm going to value time over anything else. It's really disorienting that you can fly off of the screen. Oh no, the bird! Am I going to reach outer space if I go far enough? That'd be awesome. Elf in space. No, not the bird. Not the bird. Not the bird. Get. I keep getting attacked by stupid birds. Oh, and there are boulders. Asteroids, meteorites. Big rock fall from sky. Okay, bird, watch yourself. Watch yourself. Bird, almost attack. That's basically the entire summary of this game. Bird, almost attack. I am realizing that I'm basically... This game, I'm basically in the hands of RNGesus. And he is not very nice. Not like normal Jesus. Because I'm pretty sure that all of these presents are randomly generated. And I'm almost out of time. Give me another clock. Look at that save. I was at like 0 seconds and I got... I am dead. I am deceased. I ran out of jet fuel, I guess. Well, that was fun. And that is the end. Goodbye now. Farewell. Bye. Subscribe and like and subscribe.